Today is the anniversary of the emergency, and on that note, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has remembered, as he puts it, those dark days that were imposed by the Congress party. He has in fact paid homage to all the people who resisted the emergency. He's in fact, tweeted out in a very lengthy series of tweets what he has to say. I have it open on my screens over here if you can show it to our viewers. He said that today is a day to pay homage to all those great men and women who resisted the emergency. The dark days of emergency remind us of how the Congress party subverted basic freedoms and trampled over the Constitution of India, which every Indian respects greatly. Then he has further gone on to state, just to cling on to power, the then Congress government disregarded every democratic principle and made the nation into a jail. Any person who disagreed with the Congress was tortured and harassed. Socially regressive policies were unleashed to target the weakest sections. Those who impose the emergency have no right to profess their love for our Constitution. These are the same people who imposed Article 356 on innumerable occasions, got a bill to destroy press freedom, destroyed federalism, and violated every aspect of the Constitution as well. The mindset which led to the imposition of the emergency is very much alive among the same party which imposed it. They hide their disdain for the Constitution through their tokenism. The people of India have seen through their antics, and this is why they have rejected them time and again. These are a series of tweets made by the Prime Minister today morning. We all remember what he stated yesterday. Yesterday, right before the first session of the 18th Lok Sabha, the Prime Minister had addressed the nation and had stated that June 25th marks 50 years of the blot that was put on the democracy of India. The new generation of India will never forget that the Constitution was completely rejected. Every part of the Constitution was torn to pieces and the country was turned into a prison. Democracy was completely suppressed. He had in fact gone on to state that while protecting our Constitution, while protecting the democracy of India and democratic traditions, the countrymen will take a resolution that no one will dare to do such a thing in India again, which was done 50 years ago. My colleague Manohar Kesri with us on the broadcast. Manohar, it seems that the war over the Constitution continues to escalate after Prime Minister Modi's stern words yesterday itself. The Congress party had waived the Constitution in the premises of the Parliament, and now on the 50th anniversary of the emergency, Prime Minister Modi has put out a series of tweets once again slamming the Congress party.
देखिए बिल्कुल आज ब्लैक डे मनाया जा रहा है। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने कल भी कहा था कि 50 इयर्स इमरजेंसी के हो चुके हैं। इंदिरा गांधी ने इमरजेंसी लगाई थी और आज प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने करीब बैक टू बैक कई ट्वीट किए हैं, जिसमें सीधे तौर पर उन्होंने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का हवाला देते हुए कहा है कि जिन्होंने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को नहीं माना, जिन्होंने भारतीय कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का मजाक उड़ाया और वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की बात करते हैं, मतलब राहुल गांधी पर उन्होंने अटैक किया है। इतना ही नहीं, उन्होंने प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने अपने ट्वीट में ये बात कही है कि जब इमरजेंसी के टाइम में इमरजेंसी लागू हुई थी तो धारा 356 का दुरुपयोग इस तरह से किया गया, उन्होंने कभी भी नहीं माना और फेडरलिज्म को डिस्ट्रॉय किया है। जो हमारा संघीय ढांचा है उसको डिस्ट्रॉय करने का काम उस समय कांग्रेस ने किया था और आज कांग्रेस जो है संविधान की दुहाई देता है, संविधान की कॉपी जो है संसद के अंदर आता है, तो सीधे तौर पर प्रधानमंत्री ने कांग्रेस पर अटैक किया है। जी।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.